what we're going to do today is I'm going to change out this light fixture, okay? The switch is right here, it comes on, but the person who's moving in is taller and he hits his head on this. Also, it has cracks in it. So, let me show you, maybe you can see it better now. It's broken. So rather than just replacing this, we're going to replace it with a nice round LED light, okay? So the first thing we're gonna do is I've turned it off here at the switch. Now, I recommend that you go to the breaker and turn off the breaker. And this way you have no power running to it. But we're going to check it as we go. All right, let's get started. Okay. My mechanical screwdriver. Battery operated. I love it. Okay. Now we bring it down. We have two wire nuts. We have a white wire and a yellow wire. Whenever you see this kind of thing, you need to pay attention, okay? Because normally it's just a black and a white wire coming out. Well, whenever you see a different color wire, except green, green is always ground, white is always your common, okay? But black is usually your hot, red, yellow, blue, all of those could be hot wires, okay? So it's very important to understand that. Because you see a different color wire, don't assume that it's not a hot wire. Even though that I have the switch off, I like to get my tester and check everything. Nothing's hot. Okay? Now we just undo these two. Okay, the old one is down. And now, I'm gonna get the new one out of the box, open it up, and see what kind of attachment it has to attach to the ceiling. Okay, here's the light I bought at Home Depot. I have a 20-inch LED round light, puff. Got it all taped down. Okay, what it has now, it has these type of attachments, okay? Meaning that the screws that they give us, we're going to put right back in to the hanger that they have up there. because this will work. It gives you two different sizes, so it'll work. And then these will all get tied. The black is hot, white is common, and green is your ground. Okay? Now, in order to do this, you need to have the top off. Okay? Just turn it. It has these little grooves there. They go in line with these pins. Okay, so you'll slide it on, turn it, and it'll be on. To get it off, you do the same thing. And whenever you have these type of hangers, if you didn't have this, then you would have to install it. Normally a light would come with it, but it didn't. So now this wasn't up here very tight. So I'm going to tighten this up. Okay? Now, this is very tight. It was very loose. I don't know why the people did that. The screws they had were very long. It would have worked. So what I'm going to do, put the screws in that they gave me, and I'm going to use the wider one. You'll see there's 4 holes, 2 here and 2 here. You can use the inner one or the outer one. I'm choosing to use the outer one. Okay, now this is in strong. These are in far enough down for me to be able to put the light on. All right, let's put the light up. Okay, now what they've done inside here, the ground wire is clipped to the box. That's fine, it makes the box a ground, okay? So now what we can do is we can tie our ground to the screw to where the box is, and then it'll be grounded. So we're going to do that first. Okay, so now okay, now that is tied in. Now I'm going to do the hot wire. That's going on the yellow one. Now, the thing gave me new wire nuts, so I'm going to use the new ones. The old ones are still good. I'm going to put them in my bag in case I need them for another job that doesn't have them. Turn them on until they're nice and tight. Okay, now hold your light up. Get your wire. Get your wire up inside the box with the wire nut. Same with this one. Bend the wire, don't worry about it. You have the power off. It's not going to hurt you anyway. Okay, now okay, now turn it. They're on. Now tighten them up. Okay, that's not going anywhere. Let's test it out. Nice. Okay, now get your cover. Make sure you have all the little tags off. This one has a little red sticker still here. Make sure it's nice and clean. Remember, get these tabs in line with, what I do is put my fingers there, line it up. It's gonna go on and turn it. It's right there. Okay, let's try it out again. Beautiful. Building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Give me a thumbs up. All right, that's how you change a light fixture. All right, see you on the next one.